So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. I think it's been a month since I uploaded my last video, which is really the unboxing of my new Sony camera, which I didn't use after because I've just been busy working. Like right now I have the time to shoot because I went to my workplace and I took an ACLS class for free and I get paid, which is really very kind of them to do that. The class was just like 5 hours, so I got home early and I just decided I'm just gonna shoot this video while I have time and probably edit because I'm gonna work straight 4 days from Thursday to Sunday, and then I have another job too. So when I was reviewing for the NCLEX, I screenshot these brands that I kind of want at the same time, of course, need as my inspiration to like really study hard, because as you all know and as I mentioned in my previous NCLEX related videos, like I am just very complacent. Like I study, but at the same time it's just, you know, come what may, like just do it, and at the same time rest. Like, to cut it short, I am very lazy when it comes to studying, so I need something to inspire me. So that's why I decided to just screenshot these brands, because before, of course, with the salary that I was making, I can't afford it. That served as my inspiration to really study hard, which literally worked out because I passed. So I started my nursing job September 8th, and then on my other job, my per diem and pool job, September 17th was my official first day at work. It was at the same time locked, and I'm just like really thankful that my hospital offered a bonus. So it's like what I'm making, it's plus $20 an hour. So it's really a good money, and I think it's just gonna run until December 31st. So it's just like a 3-month bonus that they did. But it's really a good money. Like I'm making like decent, probably a lot of money right now. So that's why I was able to buy these stuff with my paycheck and at the same time pay bills and at the same time still save. So it was my birthday, as you all know, last October 12th. I haven't really filmed the whole thing, which I was so used to. It's just I was working and I'm really tired. I can't do much and I'm just so busy decorating, and I just have no spare time to just like, you know, think a creative way to vlog my birthday. To start with, I got myself a pair of Valentino sandals because I feel like sometimes, like if I go to a wedding or a party, I just need a formal sandals to pair with my dress or whatever. Ever since I discovered this brand when I was still in the Philippines, I just like how Valentino shoes, sandals looks like. Like the stud is just, it just catches your attention. So this is perfect. I can walk properly and at the same time it rocks with every outfit. And that's why I chose the black color. It's Valentino Garavani. This is the box. I love it. It's red. And then every high-end brands, you always get like a bag like this. And you have 3 cards right here. I didn't read this or open this. I feel like it's just like a care card or like to check if the thing is original or whatsoever. And pretty much that's it. I'll probably buy another Valentino sandals or like the closed shoes or maybe a pair of Louboutin. The next one is I got Gucci wallet. This wallet is really perfect for me. So I just have my air tags in here just to locate my wallet if ever it's gonna go missing or something. So that's just there. I don't really carry coins with me, seldom, but that's like, you know, for coins. And this right here, the main thing is where is my credit card. So I have 6 credit cards in total. 1 ATM, and then this one is our Amazon Prime card. So this is Ryan's credit card. I don't really carry cash, so I only have $20 in here just to be like, you know, like a good luck. They always say don't leave your wallet empty, just to keep all that money like coming in. So that's why I put $20 in there. And then basically here are just like gift cards, our insurance card, and then my valid ID is in here, which is just my green card. And pretty much that's it. I don't really have anything. I just want a wallet that has like a lot of card case. I don't want the bulky big wallets. I just want like this size because I'm planning to buy a belt bag soon, and I just want like a small wallet so I can just like put in there, throw the wallet in there, and won't really eat up that space. So that's why I decided to buy this Gucci Ophidia French flap wallet. And this is the actual Gucci box. It's green. And got this Gucci ribbon, which is so nice. And then another bag, like the Gucci bag. So, of course, the care card and whatever, like the serial number and stuff is in here. And then this Gucci paper wrapper. So basically that's it for the Gucci. The next one is The Devil Wears Prada. So I got myself a shoulder bag from Prada. At first I want to return it because my wallet won't fit on it. It's literally like the same size. I feel like my wallet is just bigger. So that's why I said like I might return it, but you know what? It's so cute. I really like the color. And when I use this, I just put like cash, credit card, my keys, and then that's it. It's really a small one and I really like it. It's just so simple and classy like that. So yep, it's just a 1 compartment small bag. It's like that. And it's just a Prada here, made in Italy, and then the signature Prada logo right there. The Prada box, it came with 2 boxes. I don't know why. So this is the first box. Like there's like a Prada thing in there. And then when you open this up, it's the main black Prada box. And then inside is just like a paper and a care card again, 2 care cards, and then or whatever you call this one. So yep, basically that's inside it. I like the box too because it's just black. So I feel like I'm just gonna start decorating my closet with boxes. So yep. The last but not the least that I bought. So this is the Canada Goose Shelburne parka, which is, a lot of you may think that I'm crazy for buying a $1,100 coat. But you know what, guys, if you know me personally, you know my husband, my in-laws know that I hate winter. Like, I can't stand it. I'm always depressed when it's winter season here, and a little bit of breeze and cold, it's just like I'm done. So the reason why I spent $1,000 for a coat is because me and my husband are planning to go to New York. Not really planning, we are going to New York this New Year's Eve for the ball drop in Times Square. So we're gonna be there from 2 o'clock until midnight. So imagine that cold, and we're just gonna be standing in there. So I really need a quality jacket. It's not just about the brand, because if I just really want to be bougie, like, I can buy Burberry coats. There's like a lot of brands out there, high-end brands, but I chose Canada Goose because it's really warm and it can really protect you from winter storm and stuff like that. It's waterproof, and I tried this at the mall, so I'm not sure, because with all the coats that I have in this closet, I'm usually small, and some of the brands I'm extra small, because coats and jacket generally runs large a little bit for me. But with this specific brand, the Canada Goose, I'm actually medium. So before you buy Canada Goose, just make sure you try it, because I'm not sure if it's just for the parka coats, but yeah, I'm size medium with this one. So this has like a hoodie style in here. And I did get a beanie, a Canada Goose beanie. It's still coming together with my husband's coat, because of course I bought Ryan. That's my advance Christmas gift for him. So I got him a Canada Goose parka coat too. So I think it's gonna be here tomorrow. But pretty much that's it. It's so nice. So that's the Canada Goose official logo right there. And I am just so excited to wear this. And last but not the least is the Dr. Martens sandals. So yeah, my friend gave me a gift card because it was my birthday, so DSW gave me like a $10 off to whatever stuff that I'll buy. So I just added like a few dollars. But I've been wanting to really buy this sandal because I already have the normal shoes and I have the boots, so I'm just lacking the sandals. So I can't wear this right now because it's gonna be winter soon, but definitely this spring and summer I'll just have this. So it's so cute. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video about Apple products. See ya.